Welcome friends. Today's video, we are going to see how to print odd and even number from the given numbers. So here I have defined number from 1 to 10. First, I need to print the all even numbers from the this array of integers. And then I need to print the odd numbers. So how we can achieve this? Let's start with our example coding. Here I am defining one list of integer for even numbers and list of integer for odd numbers as a array list. So list of integer even numbers equal to new array list. And for the odd number also, I'm using list here, list of integer and odd numbers equal to new array list. So this will give me even number. This we can store here even number and odd numbers. So first we need to iterate on numbers. So for that I am using a for loop, or which is we will use int numbers. Number we will take from the numbers. Numbers we have defined above, and we will check our condition. First condition, if how to get even numbers or number percent modulo 2 equal to 0 means we will get even number here, and then we will add even number dot add, we will add a number. So number we got here in for loop, and then else what we will do, we will add even numbers, else we will add odd numbers dot add number. So we have added here odd numbers and even numbers in our program. Now what we need to do, we need to just print the given means. So first we combine these numbers into the one variable, which is combined numbers. So for that I am using here list of integer, and here I am using combine numbers equal to new array list. Then we will add combine numbers dot add integer of odd numbers. So here what happens, here it will first we will add even number in this array list, even numbers, then we will add odd numbers. So now both the numbers are added to the odd numbers and even numbers. Now we just need to print this. So for that I am using for loop to print all the numbers. Here what happened, odd numbers we didn't get here. Some error is, we will see this first. We print for int number, we are getting from combined numbers, and we will printing number, yes, out, print numbers. So here what happened, combined number it is not taking, so we need to check combined number dot add all, add all. This is the method. add all method in list interface. If you see, it is a taking collection as a parameter here. List is a method which is taking collection as a parameter. Means list is our collection that we are passing to these combined numbers, and we are printing this number. Let's run this program and see the output. Here we got the output like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. So we get the expected output from this. Like this, we can print the odd and even numbers in the given array list. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. Thank you, guys.